Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In today's video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can delete an additional Facebook profile. Please subscribe to this channel, be sure to put your likes, and also write your comments after watching the video. And let's get into this topic. And if you have multiple Facebook profiles, and let's say you want to delete one of them, I'm going to show you how to do that. So, open the Facebook app. And then in the bottom right corner, go to the menu section. Next. In the top right corner, click on the gear to go to Settings. Here, you'll need to go to the Meta Account Center. Next, Personal Information. Now Account Ownership and Control. Next, Delete or Deactivate. Now you need to select the Facebook page that you would like to delete. Now click Delete. And next. Here you will need to select the reason why you would like to delete your Facebook page. This is actually not the most important thing. Once you choose one of the reasons that are given here, click Next. Now scroll down to the bottom and also click Next. After that, you will need to keep your password of the Facebook page that you would like to delete. After that, you will be taken to a page where you need to confirm once again that you want to delete your Facebook page by clicking Delete. And immediately your Facebook page will be deleted. Friends, this is the simple way you can delete your extra Facebook profile easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.